Hi everyone, it's Helen Hotai here, founder of Form Help, and we are on the Australian Government Services Australia website, and I will put a link in the description box below. And today we are looking at death and bereavement. Now, recently I've had somebody close in our family pass away, so I thought, there may be lots of people who have just lost a loved one and they're not sure where to start and what to do. Hence, I felt I needed to do this video. Okay, so you can see along the side here that there are a few different areas. So what to organise before you die, what to do when someone dies, who to tell when someone dies, what help there is when an adult dies, and what help there is when a child dies. And those are also under here in these boxes here. So the first one we will look at is what to organise before you die. So let's go ahead and click. Actually, before we do that, so I'll just read this. It says, it can be a difficult time and you may be going through many different emotions. Talk with your doctor about your grief. They can give you information and refer you to support and counselling services. So if you need some help, please make use of those counselling and support services. Okay, let's go ahead and go to what to organise before you die. Okay, what to organise before you die. Now, there's a lot to organise before you die. There are some things you can do to reduce the burden on your family. Now, on this page is writing your will, making your wishes known, planning and saving for your funeral, saving for the funeral, and getting help with your money. So we'll start with the first one. Writing your will. So a will or legal document sets out how you want to distribute your estate or personal assets after death. It is a formula set out by law. Now, if you die and don't have a will, your estate or territory government will try to find a close relative. If they can't find a close relative, chances are your estate will go to the government. So if you don't want to go to the government, ensure that you do have a will in place. Attend one of our free financial information service seminars about estate planning. So click on that link there for more information. Making your wishes known. If you would like to be an organ and tissue donor, it's important to tell your family of your decision and they'll have the final say. Transplants give people a second chance at life. At any time, more than 1,300 Australians are on organ transplant waiting lists. By registering your organ and tissue donor decision, you can save up to 10 lives and improve many more. So if you want to know more, click on the link here, registering your organ and tissue donor decision. Planning and saving for your funeral. You should let your family and friends know how you would like your funeral. That will help them make decisions during what may be a very, very difficult and stressful time. Saving for the funeral. Having a plan will allow you to work out how much it will cost so you can save for it. If you can, put aside a little money regularly to save for your own funeral. If you get a Centrelink payment, you may be able to use Centrepay to help with your funeral costs, and Centrepay is there if you need to click on that link. You can tell us how much you want to pay and we'll take money from your pay before you get it. It's important to tell your family or the executor of your will about the account. This way they'll know how to access it. To access the funds, your family needs to give evidence of your relationship, proof of death, and the funeral cost. You may choose to pay for your funeral in full before you die, and there's a few options. So prepay your funeral for an agreed service, and remember to give a copy to your executor and put one with your will. So if you click on the link there, it will give you more information on prepay for your funeral. Invest your money in a funeral bond. You will release the funds to the estate or the funeral director if you nominate one. So again, link there for funeral bond. Take out a funeral insurance policy, which is a lump sum payment towards the cost of a funeral in the future. Superannuation. Many superannuation funds include life insurance, death and disability insurance. You should check to see if yours does. Ask the fund what will happen to your superannuation when you die and who they'll pay it to. Unless you tell them, the super fund trustee may decide who to make the payments to. And you can read about super death benefits on the Australian Taxation Office website, so there's the link there. Getting help with your money. You can speak to a financial counsellor by contacting any of the following: your local community information and referral service, a welfare rights centre, and the Department of Agriculture, Water and Environment's Rural Financial Counselling Service, and the link is there. You can speak to a financial counsellor if you would like help to work out a budget, and there's the link there. Would like to know which products best suit your needs, are in financial trouble. The National Debt Helpline offers free financial counselling. If you're in financial difficulty, you can get free expert advice to get a clear picture of your finances. Find a financial counsellor in your area on the National Debt Helpline website, and there's a link right there. Money Smart. Money Smart has information to help you plan for your own funeral or the funeral of a family member. The following links will take you to the Money Smart website. So here you have the funeral insurance, life insurance, losing your partner, paying for your funeral, paying for someone else's funeral, super death benefits, wills and powers of attorney. So you have all those links there if you need to click on them. And that concludes the What to Organise Before You Die section. Next section we will be looking at, which will be the next video, is what to do when someone dies. So go ahead and click on the link, and it will take you to our next video.